War Day number 812. 812 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, May the 15th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not now, but in the evening. But this afternoon, I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 8536. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits this one has. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, a puzzle with 27 printed digits should be a 1 star. Yeah. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need, for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the number. Yeah, which number I can pick. How about interesting. Yeah. 6, 5. Come on. We have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down, the place level 3 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. Cannot continue with 3 now. Need to wait. How about 2. Yes. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, no, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. All right. Okay. 2. Then, let me see, 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the row between, the middle row, the only place level 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing ones is a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left on 5 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. All right. Then 7. Then need a 9, need a 6. Yeah, I'm thinking. How about need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Yeah. We have a pair. Well, we have here in this row, the second row, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this big square, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes in the second row. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in the last column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Then 3 missing numbers now in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. So the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 9. Okay. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. 5, 6. Need a 5 here. 5, 6, and the 9. I'm thinking. Come on. 4, 4. Need 8 here. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 2 could be here, could be there. 9, need a 9 here. 9, 6, 7, 8, need an 8 here. 5 there. 6 here. Yeah. 8, 3. Yeah. 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. No 3 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left. For the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. Could be here. Need an 8. 8 should be there. 8. Need a 9. Yeah. Interesting. Come on. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a 1 and an 8. Here we have an 8. Here we have an 8. That means in this row, we need an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. Yeah, here can mean 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 8 there. Here can mean 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there, we have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3, no, need to place the level, the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Well, we have all the 3's, and all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 2, 6, 7... 3, 8, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this middle row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 2. Okay. Then, and 5, 2, 5. Yeah. Think. Come on. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 6 and a 9, need a 9 here. Yeah. One, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this first row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Let me drink something. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. Oh wait, we have a pair. 1 and a 7 in this row, first row. 1 and a 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1, okay. 2 missing, no. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 1 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column and the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left, the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 3 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. The only place left, the 4 should be there. Then 1 number left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 it should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, last column. So the column between the only place left of the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left, the 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finishes 16 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but we solve it again. 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.